Hello people, good morning, good afternoon or good evening, depending on which part of the world you're watching me from. My name is Joe, your tech handyman. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how you can organize content on your WordPress site. Like I do say, you need to have watched from lesson 1 before you can watch this particular lesson in this series. So if you have your system set up, please get ready. Let's start together. And now, if this is the first time of you watching us, please subscribe, like, and comment, and turn on the notification so that anytime we drop a new content, you'll be the first to know. So if you are ready, remember what I always do tell you: when you grow, we grow. So let's get started right now.
So guys, find your way to the WordPress admin login page and supply your login details, your username as I have done now, and your password. So click login. It will take you into the WordPress dashboard. Now if you scroll down to the left all the way down to appearance, we already have the theme in place, and we want to organize content around it. So click on customize. Right here we are going to see how we can organize content the front page of our website. So this is how it looks. It's blank, it's empty, but I've actually created some content here. So if you go to post or post, I've already created some content that I'm going to use. If you have not watched the video on how to create content in WordPress, please check on this channel. There is actually a video to that effect. Then I've created posts, I've created categories, I've created menu, and every other thing I need to work with in this particular lesson. So what we will do right now is to go ahead and see how we can organize the content on the front page. So go to appearance, go to customize, like that. So once you get to this point, what you are going to do is to go all the way to homepage settings. So homepage settings, you can see I have a static homepage. That means the homepage will remain, and every other post that I upload on the website will go to the blog post. So I have two other pages, about us and contact us. So it is set. So the post page will be blog and the home page will be home, like so. So that is done. Go back, we go to content. You see how single post, if you click on it, you see that featured image is enabled, but the light box, I don't think I need that. Then related posts, I think I will have to enable this one so that anytime a post comes out, single post, related posts will also come as well. So the query will be in categories, not and tags or tags, but I will leave it at categories. So with that done, I go back. For the page, the featured image is also disabled, so I will quickly enable the featured image on the page, like so. Once you are done, remember, click on publish to update changes. So real quick, let's go back, and this particular theme I'm using uses a range of widgets to organize content. We have a video explaining how plugins and widgets work, so find it on the channel and do watch. So we go to widgets. When you click on it, it is important you understand the different sections of your website so that when you want to maybe organize things, you know which section you should target, where you want your content to go, and what you want to do where exactly. So in this case, the right sidebar is actually this place right here. Then the header sidebar is actually somewhere here, just slightly below the menu bar. Then the front page, the area beside slider should be somewhere here too, because there's no content. That's why it's like small, but somewhere here is extendable. The top section is actually the very first section that you have after the menu bar, like so. So first of all, let's start with the content section, the top content section. So if you click on it, it takes you here. So what I will need to do is to just add widget, like so, and then go to legacy widget. So from here, I can easily select whatever widget I want. I want a featured category slider. So if I select that one, and then it will ask me how many posts should be displayed. I think I will do 5. That's okay. And from which category, I will select featured, like so. So you see, once that is done and I click publish. So if you go back to view this page, I'm just trying to go to the page so we can see how it looks. So in this case, if I open it in another tab, you can see that that is done. This is the slider with 5 images. So we go ahead and to customize it, come back to appearance, go to customize, or you can go through widgets directly. So I prefer to come here so you understand what's happening. Okay, so still on that top section, because the top section is not occupied, you can still add some widgets. So I'll just click on it and then add another legacy widget like so. So this time I'm going to use featured style 2. I don't think 1 will work in this case. Okay, no, I think I will do, let me remove that one. By the way, that is how you remove widget if you don't want. So that is for that. So I think I will use, go back to legacy widget, I will use featured post style 1. Okay, this is the one I'm looking for. So from here you can determine what is. So I can easily customize it from here. I can write a category, but this is how it will look. So I'm going to just write one category right there. Maybe something like skin care. I can write skin care. That's a category. So I want posts from this particular category to show, and I want it to show like 5, and I want it to show I want 5 of that. You click publish. So once that is published, if I refresh here, you can see that skincare category is displayed, and all the posts from the skincare category is actually here. Very nicely done. So again, we go back. Below it, we should add something, but this is okay. We go right back. Now we go to the middle, the content middle left, still on the front page if you notice. So I click on it. I'm going to add another category using the legacy widget. So in this case, I will use the post style 2. Okay, this is how it will look. Then here I will do antenatal care. So what it means is that all posts from this particular category will display here. So once that is done, I'll just click on publish. Now if I scroll down, you can see how nicely it looks. So I really want you to try this out. Now if you move, this is to the left, this is content middle left. Now there is still content middle right here. This is the left side, this is the right side. So the right side, I want to put the exact widget, this one right here. So I will come to content middle right section, click on it, and then the same way we added that widget, go to legacy widgets like so, and then select the particular widget style you want to use. In this case, it's still this particular one. I'm trying to see the category I want to use. So I'm going to use a particular category. So I'll select the personal care to come on that, and I want to have 4 posts right there. So once that is done, I'll just click on publish, and then if I refresh here, that has taken effect. Oh, I think we have a problem right there. Okay, this is antenatal. Okay, it's supposed to have a category name here. Okay, so let's check. There's a problem somewhere. This is what happens when you're working in any web design project. You are open to making. Okay, we didn't actually impute the name. I think the category was actually personal care. So we didn't impute personal care. That is why it didn't show. So right here, I'm going to type personal care to show on top of that category. So once I hit publish, so you can see personal care. So all posts in this category shows right here. In antenatal care shows right here. We move top, skin care shows right on top, and then on the slider the featured category. Beautiful, isn't it looking good like this? Okay, so let us just try something else. So once that is done, go back, right back to content bottom section. So if you click on it and use legacy widget again, and this time we are going to try the highlighted post, like so. If you click on it, I prefer to have 2 instead of 4, so I will reduce it to 2, and then to show from a particular category, so I will go to natural health, like so. I want it to be 2. So once I click on publish, this one you don't need to put the header. This is what happens. You can see how beautiful this is. I really love the layout of this particular theme, and like I did say the other time, the same principle, the same method how to customize the WordPress template is the same across board. So if you know the principle, you will work with any theme. There are only very few exceptions. So you can see how beautiful the homepage looks. So you can go ahead to repeat the same process to have different content arrangement in front of your homepage. So if I scroll this one down and then refresh it and scroll it down, so you see how properly, neatly arranged my content are on the front page, like so. So another thing I want to add is this: there are some other designs that you can use. For instance, if I go back to this place, there is still another section just above the footer, so I can actually use that, for instance, to add an image. So if I click this and then I want to put an image right there, so I can put an image, I can upload an image to put in there. Let's see what we have right there. So if I click open, you see that the image, this particular image, will sit right below, just on top of the footer section. So if I click publish, now that is published, if I refresh this again and then go all the way down, you can see the image right there. But you don't have to put this kind of image here. So you make your image beautiful, optimized, and sit so it can sit properly. But you can actually use this for a whole lot of purposes, for adverts, for some posts that you don't need to be on top and all of that. So guys, this is how you customize this important WordPress theme. Now in another video, I am going to show you how to put content on the right side of this page, because what you're seeing here, all these empty spaces, they are for some things. You can actually populate them. So in our next video, I'm going to show you how to populate both the right side, the top, the header, and of course the footer end of this particular website. Now if you've been following along, I'm sure you are already excited as it stands, because this looks amazing. This looks great anytime, any day. So congratulations on getting to this point, even as I hope to see you in the next video. Once again, congratulations and thank you for watching to the end. See you in the next video.